हाय फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे एक ग्रामर की कंसेप्ट आज डिस्कस करेंगे जिसका नाम है एडजेक्टिव। इट्स अ वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कंसेप्ट एंड इट्स मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट कंसेप्ट इन ग्रामर. नाउ व्हाट इज द एडजेक्टिव दैट वी विल लर्न फर्स्ट, वी विल अंडरस्टैंड फर्स्ट. एडजेक्टिव इज नथिंग बट इट इज द वर्ड विच टेल्स अस अबाउट नाउन और प्रोनाउन. कोई भी ऐसा वर्ड जो हमें नाउन या प्रोनाउन के बारे में ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन देता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव. इट्स अ सिंपल वर्ड डेफिनेशन. जैसे कि वो अच्छा बच्चा है. कैसा बच्चा है वो? बच्चा इज द नाउन. ही इज अ गुड बॉय. बॉय इज द नाउन. बट हाउ इज द बॉय? इज बॉय इज गुड. हाउ इज द बॉय? बॉय इज गुड. Again example, he is very talkative person. How is the person? Very talkative. That is called adjective. Now information about the pronoun. It is black. It is black. It is the pronoun. And black, the word black is giving more information about this. How is it? It's a black one. It is whiteboard. It is whiteboard. How it is? It is white. White is what? It's nothing but adjective. कोई भी जो वर्ड हमें नाम या सर्वनाम के बारे में ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन देता है या कुछ उसकी क्वालिटीज बताता है, दैट वी कॉल एज अ एडजेक्टिव. जैसे कि ये मेरा शर्ट है. ओके, शर्ट इज द नाउन, बट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ शर्ट इज दिस? दिस इज द टी शर्ट. टी शर्ट. अभी शर्ट के बारे में कौन ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा है? टी शर्ट. सो टी शर्ट इज व्हाट? इट्स एन एडजेक्टिव. So what is the adjective? Adjective is the word which tells us about the noun or pronoun, that is called adjective. Let's have some examples. He is good boy. Now what is the noun here? Boy is the noun. It's a noun. Now which word is giving more information about the boy? Good. This is the noun. This is the adjective. Adjective is what? Good. We had black and white TV. Black and white TV. Now, what is the noun here? TV is the noun. Which word is describing to TV? This word, black and white. So, what is the black and white? It's an adjective. This word is an adjective, black and white, and this TV is noun. Again, it will be a famous doctor. It will be famous doctor. Now, basic thing is that can we use this it for the doctor? No. Because why? It is used only for non-living thing. So what should be here? He or she will be famous doctor. Now this, how would he be? He would be famous. This famous word is describing to he, to this pronoun. That's why this is called as a adjective. Now one basic thing you have to learn here, where we can place the adjective. See, you can easily understand where we place the adjective. Generally, adjective is placed before noun or pronoun. See, this is the noun, and where we have placed the adjective? Here. Before noun. TV is the noun, where we have placed the adjective? Here. Before the TV. Now, doctor is again noun, where we have placed it? Here. So what is this? This is the adjective. Repeat, what is the adjective? Adjective is the word which tells us about noun or pronoun. So that's why it is called as a adjective, and adjective is generally placed before noun. Now see, this adjective we can divide in three types or three parts. First type is what? Adjective of quality. Second is adjective of quantity and adjective of number. Now what is the meaning of adjective of quality? The word itself shows the quality. Quality of what? Quality of noun or pronoun. For example, fabulous, good, dashing, smart, dull, beautiful, attractive. So all these words comes here. They are describing the noun or pronoun. So these word call as a quality of adjectives. Qualities. They shows the qualities. For example, he is ugly boy. How is the boy? He is ugly. This ugly is what? It's a quality. Ugly is what? Quality. How is the sweet? Sweet is sweet. Sweet is what? Quality. How is the bitter gourd? Bitter gourd is bitter. करेला कैसा है? Bitter. How is the lady finger? Lady finger is what we call sticky. Sticky. So these words are called as an adjective. Second type is adjective of quantity. Quantity means what? It doesn't tell exactly how much it is, but approximately it tells how much it is. For example, some words are there: few, many, little, great. So these words shows the quantity. Exact quantity? No. But how much quantity? Approximate quantity. For example, they have finished most of the rice. Most of the rice. Now, what is this most? Most showing near about finished, but most of the rice. This most shows the quantity. How much? Most. Very few students are present in the class. Few. Exactly we know the numbers? No. Few. So what is the few? Few is the adjective of quantity. He is a great person. How is he? Great. How much great? We don't know. Approximately he is the great. So what is that? Adjective of quantity. So such words are there: many, few, little, most, some. So this is called adjective of quantity. Now third type is adjective of numbers. अभी numbers क्या होता है? जहाँ पे numbers आते हैं उसको कहेंगे हम adjective of numbers. Which numbers? It may be ordinal or it may be cardinal. Like 1, 2, 3 up to n number, or first, second, third, fourth, like this. First, second. So this we call as adjective of number. He got first rank in the class. Now what is this first? What is the rank? Rank is the noun and first is adjective. But which adjective is this? Adjective of number. First rank. Correct? Second one. This is the second one. So second is what? Adjective. First is what? Adjective. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 bananas. How many bananas? 4. So what is the 4? 4 is an adjective. What it shows? It shows adjective of number. So these are the 3 types of adjective. First type is adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, and adjective of number. Adjective of quality shows the quality of noun or pronoun. Quantity shows how much or near about, approximately how much. And adjective of number, it shows 1, 2, 3 or first, second, third. Now see, sometimes some nouns are also used as an adjective. Some nouns are used as an adjective. Now how? See here, suppose white is this. White is what? White is noun because it's a name of one color. White is noun. Now I have whiteboard. Which board? White. Now board is what? Noun here, but this white is the describing that word. Which one? White. This white, ये जो white है ना, ये किसको describe कर रहा है? बोर्ड को. कैसा है बोर्ड? बोर्ड कैसा है? White. So that's why white is what? It's an adjective. It's adjective. Again, red. Red is what? It's a name of one color. Red is noun basically. But when we use with flower, red rose. Now rose is noun, and what is the red? Red is adjective. I have one. I have a cricket bat. I have what? I have a cricket bat. Now, what is this bat? Bat is noun. And here cricket, generally cricket is the noun because it's a name of one game. But here cricket, this word is describing to bat. Which kind of bat I have? I have cricket bat. So this cricket bat, bat comes as a noun and cricket is an adjective. Cricket is an adjective. So by this way, we have finished the concept of adjective.